Now we will see students merging and splitting cells. Merging and splitting cells means what? Combining multiple cells, two or more that are in the same row. Separating the cells that are merged is known as splitting cell. Means separate the cells that are merged is known as splitting cells. Now see, to merge cells of a table, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, select the cells which you want to merge. जो भी सेल आपको मर्ज करना है उसे आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले सिलेक्ट. स्टेप नंबर 2, click on merge cell in the merge group on the table tool layout tab. It will merge all the selected cell. किधर है वो? merge cell in the merge group. See here, this is the picture that has been shown here. Merge cell. Okay, you have to select the cell and your option is there. You have to merge that cell. Merge cell in the merge group. See here, that has been shown in this picture. Okay. Now see, to split cells of a table, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, click on the cells which you want to split. Step number 2, click on split cells in the merge group on the table tools layout tab. The split cells dialog box appear. ये क्या है? split cells dialog box है. Okay, this is the split cells dialog box. See here this. Okay, then afterwards table tool tab, click on the cell which you want to split. Click on split cells in the merge group on the table tools layout tab. The split cell dialog box will appear. Step number 3, specify the number of column and row. How many columns and rows are there, that you have to specify, and then afterwards you then click OK. Okay, step number 4, last step is click OK. Number of column, suppose 4 is there, so you will write there 4 number, and number of rows means 1. Number of column 4 and number of row 1. Okay, like this. Now see, adjusting the row and column size. How to adjust the row and column size? Some steps are there. To change the row height, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, click in any cell or select the entire table to change the row height. See here, the cell size group here, auto fit cell size. Okay, 1.2 here that has been shown. Step number 2, click on the table tools layout tab. Step number 3, specify the required row height in the height scroll box in the cell size group. Okay, and it will change the row height. It will change the row height. See here, 1.2 is it has been shown. Similarly, you can specify a new column width in the width scroll box to change the column width of a column or of the entire table. Now see, elegant text. Elegant text means is a term used to describe how text is placed on the screen. टेक्स्ट कैसा प्लेस किया जाता है ये आपको इससे पता चलेगा. नाउ सी, you can elegant the text within a cell just like you do in a paragraph in a document. लेफ्ट सेंटर और राइट, जैसे कि आपने कोई टेक्स्ट टाइप किया है तो उसे आपको लेफ्ट सेंटर में, लेफ्ट सेंटर और राइट, you have to give that space. Okay, the elegant group. See here, this box has been shown. Text direction, cell margin. Okay, this is the text. Suppose you want to move the text to right, then you can take help of this box. Okay, now see, you can also align the text vertically, top, center or bottom. To align the text, following steps should be followed. Now see which are the steps. Step number 1, click in the cell that contains the text that you want to align. Step number 2, in the alignment group of the table tools layout tab, click on the required text alignment. Okay, suppose you have to move the text right, so you click on that box. Okay, now see, reorienting text. The text direction option in the alignment group allows you to change the way text appears in a cell or a group of cells. Normally text is oriented from left to right. Reorienting means set or arrange in a new different determined position. it is a set or rearrange in a different position. To orient the text, following steps should be followed. Some are the steps of reorienting text. Step number 1. Now see step number 1. Select the entire table. First of all, you have to select the entire table. See here in the box, clicking text direction in the alignment group. Okay. Click on the text, select the entire table. Step number 2. Click on the text direction option once. Click on the text direction option once. Then afterward the text direction will be changed to top to bottom. Step number 3. Click on the option again. Click on the option again. The text direction is changed to bottom to top. Clicking a third time restores the text to its orientation. These are the steps to how to clicking text direction in the alignment group. This box has been shown here. Now see designing a table. The table tool design tab is used to help you quickly design for format your table. The table tool design tab, ये क्या है? टेबल टूल डिजाइन टैब है आप जो देख रहे हैं. See here table styles are there, which you want to do, you can click on that. Okay. Now see here students, applying a table style. How to apply a table style? To apply a table style, following steps should be followed. Step number 1. Click anywhere in the table. You have to click anywhere in the table. After that, the table tool design tab will appear on the ribbon. On the ribbon it will be appear. See here, this is the table predefined table styles in the table tool design tab. Okay, predefined table styles in the table tool design tab. This is the box. Now see step number 2. Click on the more drop down arrow in the table styles group to see all the table styles. After that, hover the mouse over different tiles to see a preview. And step number 4. Select the desired style. What style you have to select, that will be select from this box. The selected table style appears in the document. जो भी कुछ आपका डॉक्यूमेंट है उसमें क्या हो जाएगा, स्टाइल सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी. Now see students, changing the table style option. How to change the table style option? Once you have chosen a table style, you can turn its various options on or off to change the appearance of the table. There are 6 options. How many options are there? 6. Header row, total row, banded row, first column, last column and banded column. To change the table style, following steps should be followed. Now see the table style option group. ये क्या है? ये जो बॉक्स दिखाई दे रहा है, see here, this is the box. Okay, the table style option group, header row, total row, banded rows, first column, last column and banded column. This is the box. Now see here, some are the steps to change the table style. Following steps should be followed. Step number 1. Click anywhere in the table. Click anywhere in the table. Step number 2. From the table tools design tab, check or uncheck the desired option in the table style option group, depending on which table style you are using. The table style option may have somewhat different effect. You may need to experiment to get the exact look you want. Okay. Now see, adding borders to a table. Border means what? It is a line or a dash line. Border means what? It is a line or a dash line. It is made by various objects. Now see, the lines you see in a table grid are the same borders you can apply to the text with the border command, which determines where the lines go. Items on the draw borders group set the border line style, weight and color. To select a border style, weight and color, following steps should be followed. Now see which are the steps. Step number 1, highlight the cells you wish to add a border to. Step number 2, from the table tool design tab, select the desired line style, line weight and pen color from the draw borders group. Step number 3, click on the borders drop down arrow. The drop down grid appears. Step number 4, from the drop down grid select the desired border type. The border will be added to the selected cells. See here, selecting a border type, this is the box, you have to click here, one dialog box will appear here. Okay, from this you have to see this yellow, you have to click here outside border. Okay, now see removing border from a table. How to remove a border from a table? Occasionally you may want a table without any lines. Select the table and choose no border from the borders menu. What you have to do, you have to select and choose no border from the borders menu. However, having no line border in a table makes working with the table difficult. The solution is to show the table grid lines which are not printed. To do that, select the table and choose the view grid lines option from the borders menu. You have to choose the view grid lines option from the borders menu. Now we will see students mail merge. Okay, mail merge we will see. We often need to send letters with similar information to different person. Okay, हम कोई मेल भेजते दूसरे पर्सन की इन बिजनेस और एनी ऑफिशियल मैटर, जो भी कुछ आप मेल करते हो बिजनेस में या ऑफिशियल मैटर में, तो उसे क्या करते हैं, उसे क्या कहते हैं, मेल मर्ज. दिस लेटर्स रिक्वायर द नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ ईच रिसिप्टेंट on the top. So changing the address each time would be a very lengthy process and wastage of time and effort. MS Word has a wonderful feature called mail merge. MS Word has a wonderful feature called mail merge that offers solution to this problem. Mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. It saves our time to send letters a multiple address. Okay, MS वर्ड ने क्या किया है, एक फीचर निकाला है, कौन सा, मेल मर्ज. ओके, दैट हैज ए सोल्यूशन टू दिस प्रॉब्लम. नाउ सी डाटा सोर्स. स्टूडेंट्स, what is data source? Okay, is a name given to the connection setup, is a name given to the connection setup to a database from a server. Now see, data source consists of mailing list, for example name, address, city, pin, telephone number, etc. It consists मेलिंग लिस्ट, जैसे कि आपका नाम, एड्रेस, सिटी, पिन, टेलीफोन नंबर, एसेट्रा. द डाटा इज ऑर्गेनाइज इन tabular form along with the field name. The data source is associated with the main document, so its field name can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge address along with the main document. Now see main document, we will see now main document. A main document is type of document available in mail merge. It is available in mail merge that can be combined with the data source. Also it can be combined with the data source. Now see, it contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipient. For example, form, letter, mailing, label, envelope or directory. It is the example of main document. Now see students, merge field. मर्ज फील्ड इज ए फील्ड यू कैन पुट इन एन ईमेल टेम्पलेट. आप क्या कर सकते हो, पुट कर सकते हो, या फिर मेल मर्ज टेम्पलेट. इट इज ए डाटा आइटम सच एज नेम, एड्रेस, सिटी, पिन, एक्सेट्रा विच इंस्ट्रक्ट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड where to insert the data source, names, address, information in the main document. Now see, mail merge involves 3 basic steps. Mail merge के क्या है, 3 basic steps. Creating a main document, specifying a data source, merging the data source with the main document. These are the 3 main steps of mail merge. Okay, mail merge is a field you can put an email template. You can put an email template. Now see students, creating a mail merge document. How to create a mail merge document? To create a mail merge document, following steps should be followed. Some are the steps you have to follow. Now see here, which are that? Step number 1, click on the mailings tab. You have to click on mailing tab. See here in yellow color it has shown. Click on the mailing tab. Then afterwards, step number 2, in the start mail merge group, click on the start mail merge button. Then afterwards a drop down grid appear. A drop down grid will appear. It has been step by step mail will merge. Okay. Step number 3, click on the step by step mail merge wizard in the grid. Okay. Click on the step by step mail merge wizard in the grid. This inbox, this yellow color has been shown. What is this step by step mail merge wizard in the grid? Then afterward the mail merge task pane appear. Step number 4, now select the letters radio button under select document type. Okay. Select document type. This is the select document type, this box you are looking. After that, step number 5, click the next starting document under step 1 of 6. Okay. Step 1 to 6. Then step number 6, select the use the current document radio button under selecting starting document. And step number 4 is step number 7, click the next select recipients under step 2 of 6. Okay. Selecting document type. This is the boxes of selecting document type. See here, what type of document are you working on? आप कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट पे काम कर रहे हैं? Number 1, letter, email images. Suppose you are working on letter, email images, envelope, label, directory. Okay. You have to select that first of all. Now we will see creating recipient list. Okay. Creating recipient list. To create a new mailing list, following steps should be followed. Students, now recipient list means what? Is a list or located to one or more document. If you want to send the document to more than one recipient, okay. Now see, what are the steps to create a new mailing list? Following steps should be followed. In the mail merge task pane, select the type in new list radio button under select recipient. Step number 2, click the create option. Click on the create option. The new address list dialog box appear. Selecting recipient box is that. Okay. Step number 3, click on the customize column button to add or remove fields. Okay. Step number 4, type the details of the recipient in the न्यू एड्रेस लिस्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स. न्यू एड्रेस लिस्ट डायलॉग बॉक्स में आपको क्या करना है? डिटेल ऐड करने है रिसिपिएंट की. स्टेप नंबर 5, क्लिक ऑन द न्यू एंट्री बटन. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द न्यू एंट्री button has been shown in the boxes. Then afterwards click on OK to close this dialog box. Step number 6 क्या है? Click on OK to close this dialog box. The save address list dialog box appear. Step number 7, specify a name in the file name text box and click the save button. आपको एक नेम डालना है उधर, फाइल नेम मेंशन करना है. Then afterward the mail merge recipient dialog box appear. See, this is mail merge recipient dialog box. Okay. This dialog box displays the detail of all records added by the user. जो भी आप डिटेल ऐड कर रहे हो इसमें दिखाई देगी. Step number 8, you can select the recipient by checking the boxes next to the recipient. Step number 9, click on OK to close this window. You have to close that window. And step number 10, now click on the next, write your letter under step 3 of 6. Okay. See these boxes. Mail merge recipient dialog box. Okay. Here you have to exit. Number 1, select recipient, use an existing link, select from Outlook contacts, type a new list. From this you have to do. Now see students, inserting merge field. Okay. Inserting merge field. I already told you that merge field is a field you can put an email template. Okay. Now see here, inserting merge field. To insert merge custom field, following steps should be followed. Some steps you have to follow. Number 1, on the mailing tab, click on the insert merge field button in the right and insert field group. The insert merge field dialog box appear with the fields you have created. Then afterwards, step number 2, click on the fields that you intend to add. Step number 3, then click on the insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document. Step number 4, click on close to close this dialog box. The selected fields appear in your document one after another horizontally. And step number 5, separate the fields by pressing the enter key. Now see here, insert merge field dialog box. ये कौन सा dialog box है? Insert merge field dialog box. Okay. Here you are seeing address field, database field. Here title, first name, last name, company name, address. Okay. Address line 1, address line 2, city, state. This is insert merge field dialog box. Now see here, intend to add, click on, these are the steps. Step number 2, click on the field that you intend to add. Step number 3, then click on the insert button. Similarly, insert other field into the document. Step number 4, click on close to close this dialog box. The selected fields appear in your document one after another horizontally. And step number 5, separate the fields by pressing the enter key. Separate the fields by pressing the enter key. This is the dialog box of insert merge field. Now see students, viewing the merge data. Viewing the merge data. How to view the merge data? Some are the steps. To view the merge data, following steps should be followed. Step number 1, click on the preview result. First of all, you have to click on the preview result. आपको सबसे पहले preview result पे click करना है. Button in the preview result group on the mailings tab. The first record will be displayed. First record will be, जो भी first record हो क्या हो जाएगा, आपको display हो जाएगा. Afterwards, step number 2, click on the next record button in the preview result group to view the next record of the data source. उसके बाद में आपको next record button पे click करना है. In the preview result group में जाके to view the next record of the data source. This is preview result. Okay. ये क्या है? ये काय का बॉक्स है? Preview result का. Okay. Your address line here has been shown here. Now see printing letter, student. Printing letter means what? Printing letter is a technique of relief printing using a printing press. Okay. It is a technique of using printing press. To print your letters, letter अगर आपको print करना हो तो some are the steps should be followed. Step number 1, click on the finish and merge button in the finish group on the mailing tab. Mailing tab में आपको finish group, okay, finish and merge button, the finish group on the mailing tab. Click on the finish and merge button. आपको काय पे click करना है? finish and merge button पे. Step number 2, select the print document option from the drop down grid. The merge to printer dialog box appear. Printer dialog box will appear. Merge to printer dialog box. It is a dialog box. See here. Merge to printer. ये जो आपको पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहा है क्या है? Merge to printer dialog box. Then afterwards, students, see step number 3. Define the desired print settings and then click OK. Selecting print documents option. Okay. This is the print documents option. आपको कितने कॉपीज निकालने उसे आपको इधर आपको नंबर ऐड करना है 1 2. ओके. द सिलेक्टेड रिकॉर्ड्स विल बी प्रिंटेड सेपरेटली अलोंग विद द लेटर. आपके लेटर के साथ क्या हो जाएंगे? वो जो प्रिंट है वो सेपरेटली आपकी प्रिंट हो जाएगी. ओके. दिस इज द सिलेक्टिंग प्रिंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑप्शन. यू आर लुकिंग इन दिस बॉक्स.